Metro is one brand, I think, which is in India, it's the most popular brand of shoes for the masses as well as the classes. It's a shoe which has been like in the business, it's like forever. Jab se my parents have been there, it's like Metro shoes, you know, and today I'm endorsing it. So it's quite traditional, it's modernized itself, having me and Saif as their brand ambassador, I think. ये जो मेट्रो शूज का कैंपेन हम लोग आज शूट कर रहे हैं, it's all about flaunt it. It's more about, obviously, everything is about the shoes. Like even when we're shooting or even when I'm talking to you, it's just more about shoes. I think everywhere around me is like that. I think a woman's best friend, everybody feels, are bags, but I think is shoes. I have about hundreds of pairs in my cupboard. And like Saif says that you have 100 shoes, you probably have not worn them, but it's still not enough. मैं जब भी कहीं जाती हूँ, चाहे वो लंदन हो या दिल्ली हो, कहीं भी, I think a woman will never say कि अरे एक जोड़ी ले लेते हैं. It's always like अरे if you buy one, you have to buy one more. It's like two. अक्टूबर के बाद बहुत सारी फंक्शंस और पार्टी शुरू होती हैं. Lots of weddings, lots of celebrations, Christmas, Diwali. So I think the women like more bling, more kind of silver, gold, high heels. If you're not in high heels, I don't think you're in the right frame of mind. Well, I like the silver one जो मैंने पहना था black dress के साथ. I think वो silver वाला बहुत ही खूबसूरत है because it kind of leaned my body out. It made me look slimmer, taller. Also the heels were a little more. Gold is also very nice. It's a nice color. But this season I prefer the silver one. Well, my personal style would be that I'm more into jeans and t-shirts, you know, the entire day. Very casual, and I like slippers, slip-on shoes, you know, that kind of stuff. But if I go out in the night, I like short dresses and skirts with, of course, like I said, stilettos or pumps. Well, Metro के काफ़ी जूते पहने हैं हम लोग ने, and of course there are a lot of other international brands because जिस तरह से हम लोग ने film shoot की है, it's quite glamorous, and also there are portions which are not glamorous, but Heroine is also about stardom, so there's a lot of glamorous kind of high heel, stilettos, pumps like I'm wearing now, which I like. I like stilettos and pumps the most. Well, actually मेरी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है, तो I would want my movie to be a big hit, and then in that case I can wear some nice shoes and go out to celebrate.